Hello guys, this is As a Graphics. You're welcome back to my channel. In case you just joined me for the first time, I strongly recommend you hit the subscription button and also put on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new content here on YouTube. Okay, in this particular story, I'll be teaching you how you can resolve the Blender OpenGL problem. Okay, this is my Blender. I'm trying to open it and it's telling me open. It's giving me this error. The graphics card and the driver are not supported with OPENGL 3.3. Right, so this is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to be using. The resources will be in the description of this video, so just do well to download it. So I'll just come here to my Blender, left click on it, then you come to open file location. Okay, so you just paste this there. Yes, so it's now there. You can either restart your system, or you can just try it. Blender. I've double clicked on it to open. So let's see. So you can see it has opened. So this is how you can resolve the Blender 3.3 OpenGL problem. Alright, so I hope this tip was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. It's still loading. It's loading. Wow. Okay, this is it. Alright, I hope to help you. We'll see you in the next video.